as you've undertaken unstructured data projects, how have you pitched the need for training and building that intelligence into the business?
That's a good question. I think because that's often missed, right?
Yeah.
As I pointed out earlier, the nature of the technology does require training for it to be effective and highly successful. But people assume that it's just another technology, and most technologies don't need training. You just deploy it, and it does
That's right.
specific, specific activities, right? So if you have, for example, a network monitoring, for example, you just deploy it and it starts monitoring your network, right? That's how it does. That's different for the document management and OCR and ICR, right? There is an expectation that you need to give it samples and train it, right? And the way we've approached this is that we've explained to them that even the human eye can make mistakes, right? Like people, when I look at a document, especially if it's handwritten, right, I can't tell I can't tell sometimes my own wife's handwritten notes, right? And I have to phone her, ask, like, what did you say, here? So if that is the reality, right, why should we expect the machines, right, to know everything, right? You really need to sort of, point out to them, this name is, is Smith, for example. This is John Fu, or that way they know what the word John looks like next time it sees it, right? And the technology is getting better, I think, but it's in your own interest to train it so that you customize it,